One of the questions that I get in my inbox quite often is, how do you make money using Pinterest? And the most common question I actually get is, can I make money with Pinterest using affiliate marketing even if I don't have a blog? So today's video is all about how to make money with your Pinterest traffic on your blog. So this is more of like a general, this is how people make money with their websites video, but it's going to be specifically related to your Pinterest traffic. If you're interested in learning how you can make money in 2021 using your website, all of the different ways that you can do that, plus a few little tips and tricks or metrics that you should be measuring to be effective, stick around because that's what this video is all about. Hey there, I'm Heather Ferris and I run this YouTube channel as well as a Pinterest marketing agency, and we help to educate and run traffic to clients' websites who are e-commerce and content creators. Welcome. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. If not, welcome back. So happy to have you on board yet again. So this week we're talking about all of the ways that you can make money with your website in 2021. There are so many ways. The first way that you can make money with your website in 2021 is from display ads. Just like in the past, display ads are becoming increasingly popular. Although different times of the year, you will notice that the money that you earn from display ads actually decreases. So when you are running traffic to your site, you can monetize your website just from having ads on there that people see and maybe click on. The most common display ad networks that I'm aware of are Mediavine, AdThrive, and Google AdSense. Now, Mediavine and AdThrive are hard to get into. They have really high page view requirements, and at times I've actually found it really difficult to get into Google AdSense. I actually tried to apply for AdSense for my travel blog when we were nearing about 28,000 page views a month, and they kept declining our request to join. So I moved on because it was just ridiculous amount of work to try and make pennies off page views. So that's tip number one. Now, when you are running traffic to your website and you are monetizing with display ads, you need traffic, lots of it, in order to maximize the amount of money you're going to make from those ads. So keep that in mind when you are contemplating display ads. So traffic, lots of it. You're also going to need, with display ads, you're going to need fast load times, and you may want to consider a multi-screen strategy. So you need to optimize your blog or website for mobile and for desktop, and then just make sure that you have super fast load times. If you are attracting people to your site and they're quickly leaving, you're going to get penalized for that, and you're not going to make as much money, and you're also not going to rank as well on Google. All the other social networks also take cues from how fast your load times are. They take that into the consideration for delivering your content on their platform. So fast load times, multi-screen strategies there, and then make sure you are minimizing the amount of pop-ups on mobile devices if you are doing display ads. This is one of the things that drives me bonkers, and it also decreases the overall likability of your website from a user standpoint. If you are popping up things on mobile and there's no way to exit out of them, those things that slide down from the top or slide up from the bottom, they are annoying, and the display ads are already taking up space on screen. So if you're going to have display ads, then you probably need to remove pop-ups. You're going to have one or the other, not both, especially for mobile. Just remove pop-ups on mobile altogether. It's also another indicator from Google for usability on your site. The second way that you can make money on your website is through sponsored content. A lot of people are aware of sponsored content when it comes to Instagram, but they're not aware of sponsored content when it comes to actual social media posts like Facebook and Pinterest, even Twitter. You can do sponsored posts for all of those platforms. And in those instances, they are really just social media posts that are sponsored content. Now for Pinterest, it's best if you have something that you're linking to for usability purposes. So In this case, it would be like a sponsored blog post that you are then linking on Pinterest. Now, make sure you're not selling yourself too short and undercharging yourself. Every single blog post I read on page 1 of Google this morning for sponsored posts said not to charge less than $250. That's probably because the people who are ranking 2 through 10 are going to page 1, the number 1 ranking, and reading that blog post and regurgitating the information. Blah. But still, $250 or less, you're shortchanging yourself. So this is not about pricing out your sponsored content though. This is more of like, you can make money with sponsored blog posts, and these are the things that you're going to look for. Now, the things that you're going to do or look for, or metrics that you're going to track when it comes to sponsored content, is your social media following. Did your following grow, or did they engage with that content? Newsletter size, as well as open rate and click rate. Did you have a good open rate and click rate when you sent the content to your audience on your email list? And then on your blog, are there a good number of sessions on page, as well as time on page, clicks on page? Did they click through and take action on that sponsored content? These are all things that you're going to want to know and track when it comes to sponsored posts and possible future deals with that sponsor, or even other sponsors. Other sponsors are going to want to know how well your content has done in the past if you've done sponsored content. And I swear I'm not going to say that word again. I said it too many times. Method number 3 through 5 are how I have monetized my Pinterest traffic, and I think you're going to like these better than 1 and 2. 1 and 2 can be hard to get to because it's something that you have to work towards. You have to have a blog in place to get display advertising and sponsors. But methods 3, 4, and 5 are way different, okay? You can start from the beginning. You need traffic, but you don't have to have an established blog to get started on these things. All right, so number 3 is affiliate marketing. Now, I'm ranking these in order from like least favorite to my favorite being at the bottom. So this is my 3rd favorite way, like right in the middle, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is such a powerful way to promote other people's product. You have no overhead. You have you don't have to create any of the content as far as like images and all of that stuff if you don't want to for affiliate products. You could simply drive traffic straight to affiliate products on your blog or from pin URLs on Pinterest. You can literally put the affiliate link in your pin URL and send that item straight to an affiliate offer. I'm gonna give you a little down low on how to maximize your income from affiliate marketing when it comes to Pinterest traffic, and that is to provide value first. So do a video like this where you talk about the product that you're using. I love these Canon batteries, and this is my favorite Canon battery, and blah, blah, blah. These are the pros and the cons, and this is how you get it, and this is the best retailer to buy it from. And then you link your Canon batteries if that's what you're hawking in that affiliate post, right? So I like to do this in a couple of different ways. I like to do review posts as well as like listicles, where I will detail the entire product, how to use it. I did this with lead pages. How to use it, how to get started, the best, tips and tricks, pros and cons. And then I give them the affiliate link to sign up if they choose to go with that product. Now, you can also do a listicle where you can have like various different batteries for your Canon camera that you're detailing, and all of them are listed out. B&H Photo actually does a really, really good job of this, where they list out all of the different cameras within a certain price range, and they link to Amazon. All of those are affiliate links, and that is actually just a really great way to do affiliate value-based blog posts, and then you send Pinterest traffic to those. You cannot and should not ever send Pinterest traffic directly to affiliate links on Amazon. They will shut you down. And always, always make sure you are disclosing. If you need more information on affiliate marketing on Pinterest, I do have a video. I will link it somewhere up here for affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Number 4 on the list is services. You can promote your services on Pinterest. Now, I have not found this to be very effective for my own blog because I've never put enough effort into my Pinterest marketing profile because there's so much noise and there's so many people spitting so many lies about how to get Pinterest traffic and the things you need to do and how to go viral and just basically all of this BS on Pinterest. It's really hard for me to outrank those people because they are promising things that just are not possible in the time frame or with the capacity that they are promising them. So it's really hard to outrank those people. I can outrank them here on YouTube, actually, which is why I put all my effort into this channel and educating you guys. So I would say you can promote your services on Pinterest. Now, if you are a Pinterest marketer like myself, you may find that you also have problems ranking on Pinterest. If you don't, let's chat because obviously I'm missing something. But one of my pro tip for this one is to create value-based blog content or YouTube content. This is how I'm gaming the algorithm on Pinterest, essentially. I'm not gaming the algorithm, I'm just using that term. Like, I create value-based content and then I share this on Pinterest and I get traffic to it. And from there, people come into my world, they come into my funnels, and they get to know me and ultimately either buy my stuff or hire my staff, okay? So that's how we do services. Now, that is the 4th way that you can make money with your Pinterest traffic. Number 5, or actually number 1, because I'm going from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 1 is with digital products, and this is by far my favorite way to monetize your Pinterest traffic. I just love it. Seriously. It is my bread and butter. I was just looking at my reports this morning, and in the last 3 or 4 days, I have made hundreds of dollars from my digital products. Now, not all of that traffic is coming from Pinterest because I told you my Pinterest strategy on Pinterest isn't the bee's knees, okay? Because I don't put a lot of effort into it. It doesn't bring me ROI. Therefore, it doesn't work. But we have plenty of clients in my agency that are selling digital products in both ads. I will be completely transparent. In both ads and organic Pinterest traffic, and they are selling the crap out of their digital products. I have one client that I worked with this year that we are just now getting her digital product launched, and it was a cookbook funnel where she has all of these amazing family recipes that she sells. She gives away a pantry checklist, and on the back side of that is a tripwire, which if you need the tripwire video, you want to learn how to do that, I will link it. But that was the method I did for her, where we gave the pantry checklist away as the free thing, and then it's the tool, right, to get your pantry organized. And the system for all of that is her cookbooks, and we are just now getting that launched. So that's a fun way to do that. But digital products are just a really great way to monetize your traffic, and you own it. So you get to create the content, and you get to be part of the whole delivery, and you don't have to send them to a third party, which means metrics are more accurate and you have control of the end product. I find it very powerful. I love digital products. I have a slew of digital products that I offer that help in different areas of Pinterest marketing that people are loving these days. And the hottest commodity as of late is my Pinterest system, where I just teach you how to get organized and get yourself set up in the beginning so you can actually use my strategies effectively. Digital products are my personal favorite. They're like the peanut butter to my jelly. Seriously, I'm sorry if I keep saying this over and over, but I love them. I love them so much. Not just digital products though, guys, like also physical products. I can't leave out my physical product clients or sellers. We actually do use and love our physical product seller clients as well, so you can send traffic straight to your store from Pinterest if you are an e-commerce shop owner. I have all sorts of things. I have a playlist I'll link for e-commerce shop owners if you are watching this and you're wondering how to make money with your e-com store. You can sell physical products on the platform as well. I have had clients ranging from drop shippers who just work with companies their website set up, they don't have any physical products in-house, all the way down to baby backpack brands, green cleaning companies, skincare lines, you name it. And I have clients that are in those verticals or, close. So products that you own are my favorite way to make money with your Pinterest traffic. Now, all of these ways that I'm telling you to make money with your Pinterest traffic, you are going to use my Getting Started guide for Pinterest marketing in 2021, which I will also link somewhere up there. You're going to use that video tutorial that I filmed, that I told you exactly what you need to do, and you're going to push traffic to all of your blog posts or video content using Pinterest. Okay? So that's how this works. We're going to use Pinterest as the car, and your content is the gas. So that's really it this week. That is the rundown, the lowdown on how you can use Pinterest to drive traffic, to make money with all of these different ways. So number 5, if you're recapping, was display ads. Number 4 was sponsored content. Number 3 was affiliate links. Number 2 was services. And number 1 was products, digital or physical. It doesn't matter. If you're ready to take it to the next step, make sure you head on over and watch our Pinterest for Beginners playlist so you can get started off on the right foot in 2021. We'll see you later.